Hello, I'm Peter Newman, a financial planner with Peak Wealth Planning. Let's talk about the benefits of rolling over your 401k to an individual retirement account for retirement income. First, rolling over your 401k to an IRA can give you more control over your investments. With an IRA, you have a broader range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Second, an IRA can offer better fee structures. Many 401ks have burdensome administrative costs. Moving to an IRA can reduce or eliminate those administrative costs and get you the expertise from a financial advisor to help you with your retirement income plan. Third, IRAs provide flexibility for withdrawals. You can customize your distribution strategy to meet your retirement spending needs as well as your tax situation. And finally, consolidating multiple 401ks into a single IRA simplifies your retirement income planning and avoids the need to juggle multiple accounts to meet required minimum distributions. Remember, it's important to consult with your financial advisor to see if rolling your 401k to an IRA is the best solution for your situation. I'm Peter Newman with Peak Wealth Planning. If you'd like to schedule a call with us to talk about the benefits of moving your 401k to an IRA, use the link provided.